Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Luis Urbieta, the Apostle to Happiness. Today we are going to be reviewing, please excuse the truck noise. We are going to be taking a look at this Driven Micro Series logging truck. Now, this isn't truly based on any particular, this isn't truly based on any particular, real life truck. This is just a generic casting, but, we're gonna roll with this video. Now, please excuse the flies, guys. There really is nothing we can do to really get rid of these. So, up front, you are gonna have your grill. You do have the Driven logo. Like I said, just a generic cab and a generic body. This is not, they didn't model this. This isn't modeled after any particular real life truck. But you do have your, what could be, I think what this cab could be based on, based from my imagination, is that this is based on a Freightliner Cascadia. Probably. Not entirely for certain, but check out the bottom. Just this is your place for license plate. Now the tires here, even though they're gray, they do show a lot of detail. But that's awesome. The real fun of this truck, the real fun of this beauty, is that this spins full 360 degrees. This is as far as it could go, which is okay. You don't want to force this. Now, you do have all your logs. I'm only going to show you these are plastic. These are plastic here, unfortunately, but these are simulated wood. There you guys can see. But there you guys have the tires, rubber tires, and the best thing is this dumps. Ooh, I don't want to ruin anything. Ooh, and it locks in place. Good job, Driven, for showing everybody how this truck functions. Nice job by Driven. Now the doors do open up. The doors do open up. The hood opens up. The hood opens up this far. And like I've said, there's no working steering on these. There's no working steering on these. You know, Driven hasn't perfected a way to really have working steering on these. That would have been cool. And the cool part about this, check out the back. Right here. You could see part of the interior. Check that out, guys. And then here, there you guys have your exhaust. They're a little too shallow. They're a little too short. I really wish Driven had found a way to make those larger. But one thing that Driven did do right, you can see, you have your drive shaft, your engine detail. This is a 6-wheeler. You can see. No dual axles, which is unfortunate. And then look at that. It works. It works nice. And then look at the inside. If I lift that up, there you guys can see the inside. This is what all the grooves are for. You can fit up to 9 logs on this. But if you don't want to use it for logs or anything, obviously if you have like a little garbage can collection or anything of that nature, then this is how cool it is. This is really, really cool. I'm very excited that Driven did do a nice job. So there you guys have it, collectors. My Driven toys log truck. And obviously this is where you put your batteries and all that paraphernalia. So there you guys have it, collectors. This is a review on the this log truck. I definitely recommend it. If you guys can find it. These are sold only at Target. Walmart doesn't have Driven. Costco doesn't sell these types of models. Costco doesn't sell these. Ross doesn't sell Driven. But the point I'm trying to make is that these are exclusively at Target. So there you guys have it. Your Driven toys. I just like pressing that button. Driven Micro Series log truck. I do recommend it. These are so popular right now. Kids are getting these. So Gotta roll out. Luis Urbieta, the Apostle Chant. Happiness saying, peace.